The next big thing in financial market is here. You might have missed the opportunity to buy Bitcoin in 2009. But do not miss Bitcoin today. Buy Bitcoin today and become next millionaire. If you are listening that video, you must be thinking, what is Bitcoin? It's totally brand new technology, and nothing like that exists in the world right now. The world markets are sinking because of so many reasons, and investor had lost $1.4 trillion already, and it is not stopping soon. If you had bought Bitcoin, you would have never lost a penny. Because of its unique price lock feature, which will give you protection against price drop, and it will never decrease in value ever like other assets. Why you should buy Bitcoin today? Number 1, price is really low. With only $100, you can buy almost 50,000 Bitcoin today. If value goes to even $1, your $100 would be $50,000. And if value goes to $20 per Bitcoin, you would make your first $1 million. Isn't that amazing? There are more feature and benefits to buy Bitcoin, and each feature will surprise you totally. Bitcoin is operating on its own unique system, which is based on Web 3.0 and e-commerce. You will always get benefits and stay in profits from many ways. So do not hesitate and buy Bitcoin today to become next millionaire and get financial freedom for you and for your family.